Hello internet shoppers! I'm here today to show you what I've just got from netgifts.com.au. It's a hammock chair stand combo. It comes with 9 main components and one deluxe Mexican style hammock chair. So these are the 9 components and the nuts. These 4 are the base and these 4 are the uprights and these ones are the nuts. And now I'm going to show you how to put all the pieces together. So this is the base and it's got a curve underneath. Make sure that the curve is facing down. So now I'm going to put all the pieces of the base together. So now you know how the base should look like, because the center, the main piece, is not touching the ground, and also the uprights are facing up. Now we're gonna put the nuts. There are 2 different types of uprights. This one is the base and this one goes on top. And just after putting the first one, you can put the nut in. And now the top part of the upright. You put the first one, and just after that you put the nut. The same thing on the other side. So this is how it should look like. The top parts of the uprights flat against each other over the center of the base. So the last nut goes on the bottom hole of the top part of the upright. And then finally the hook, it goes on the top hole of the top part of the uprights. And then your beautiful hammock. You grab the bottom part, you have a seat on the edge. You lift the back part, and that's it. You can even use it like a hammock.